Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 42 Outrage. Let's start with one of the best parts of the boat. It's powered by quad 400 Mercury Verados. It's the new power for us this year, and it just gets this boat right on plane and gives you a really good top end on it, so plenty of power for this boat. If you're not fishing, it's set up nicely right here. You get a beautiful bench seat for quite a few adults on it. If you are fishing, just easily folds away with your dive door ladder here as well. Live well on this corner over here. And then you've got the dive door over here. So the dive door is easy for getting fish on and off the boat, good for swimming, good for boarding the boat on a fixed dock area. So nice safe boarding area. You've got the kitchen area over here with a refrigerator, ice maker, and a grill. So it's completely set up perfectly for you there. On top of that is a bench seat for 3 adults very comfortably. Has its own air conditioning vents for you back here. And as we move to the helm area, 3 really nice power captain's chairs. So 6 adults very comfortable up on the in the bridge area. Up here we got the best of everything you're going to need. You got the Raymarine touchscreens. You got 3 of them. You'll do anything you want. You got radar. You got all that. It's also has the joystick. The joystick's just one of the best parts about the boat. Gets you sideways into docks, full control of the boat. It's got skyhook, keeps you locked in if you want to just keep there and look at the sunset nicely. And it also has auto heading, so really great feature. And another super feature is we're putting on the boats now is the seat keeper. It really takes about 90% of the sideways roll out of it for you. So that's this doesn't bother people. This is what bothers people. So it takes 90% away. Fantastic. You've got the cabin set up nicely for quite a few adults. If you just want to hang out, if you get away from the weather. Full standing head, little galley down there. If you do want to sleep overnight on it, you can do that. And let's move to the bow. Again, beautiful area up here for entertaining. So you got 3 very comfortable lounge seats here, set up nicely, plenty of room. And then also you can lounge here. You got 1 on each side, so you got 2 more lounges here. This is set up as a sun pad. It's a teak table, which is powered. So if you want to set it up for cocktails, you can take the top off and you can have it set up nicely for cocktails. So this boat will do pretty much go anywhere you want to go. Radar, it's got everything. It's got night vision on it. It's got everything you're going to need to go have fun on the water. So my name is Bob Freeman. If you have any questions on it, please give me a call at 603-213-1194. And don't forget to look us up on YouTube.